Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to block users on the Tumblr application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone. Then you should click on the either the home icon or the search bar to search for a particular user that you want to block. After finding it, tap on the this three dots icon next to its username and tap on the last button, block. Click on block, and here you can see that this user is gone. You have blocked them, and you won't see any posts from this user anymore. So basically that's it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.